Today we're going to replace the windshield wiper arm on an Audi Q7 on the passenger side. This is what happened about a month ago. Snapped right here. Left the rest of it on there. I ordered a replacement part. There's an actual Audi replacement part from Latvia in Europe. Good price on eBay, but it does take 3 to 4 weeks to get here. You can buy a imitation part, non-Audi part from Amazon and have it here the next day. Some of the tools that we'll need for today: nice flathead screwdriver, and then a 5/8 socket and ratchet so we can pull off the nuts holding the windshield wiper. Just use your flathead to go underneath the corner. Just tilt it up a little bit and pull it off. Easy, easy. Next is you're gonna put the socket on there, onto the nut, and remove it. You're gonna have to hold it in place while you try and get it loose. Not too hard. So loosen the nuts and remove them. Make special note of how it's orientated. You want to make sure it looks the same when you put the new blade back on, and also make sure you put the actual wiper blade on the arm before you install it, so you don't scratch the window when you turn it on. Then just pull it up. So this side comes up very easily. This side does not want it to come up at all. So I'll use my screwdriver. Does not help. So then one other tool I bought was a wiper arm puller. Again, you can get them on eBay. $6.99 for this one. There's nicer ones you can get. You're gonna slide underneath there. Put the one nut over the other, the one threaded rod over the other threaded rod. Need a little time to get it all centered up or lined up, and then just start tightening, and then it pops off, as you saw. So next step is to get the new one on. Put your nuts back on. Finger tighten them as much as possible. Hold the wiper blade so it doesn't move while you're tightening it. Don't want to make it too tight, because otherwise you'll have a hard time taking it off if you ever have to remove it again. So just tighten it up. Put the caps back on. Tap them with a rubber mallet unless they've already snapped on. These have already snapped on, and you're all done.